Hey, let's talk about something that most people never think about when trying to eat healthier or be more active, and that's your environment. If you struggle with motivation, if you are busy, or even if you are starting from zero, this is going to help you so much, I promise, because I have applied these techniques and it has helped me very much. The truth is, you don't fail at habits because you are weak. You fail because your environment is set up for the habits you already have, not the ones you want. This idea came from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear, and if you haven't read this book yet, I highly recommend. And it's honestly life changing. So let's break it down. Why environment matters more than motivation. So, the big idea is this: motivation is unreliable, but your environment is always working on you. James Clear says you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. And your environment is one of the most powerful systems you have. So, just think about it. If the first thing you see in your kitchen is cookies or chocolate, guess what you're going to think about is cookies and chocolate, and most likely you're going to eat them. If your workout clothes are hidden at the back of your closet, how likely are you going to exercise? It's not a motivation problem, it's an environment problem. So instead of trying to force yourself to be disciplined, let's design the space around you so the healthy choice is the easy choice. How can you set up your kitchen to eat better? Here's my 5 tips. Number 1, make healthy food obvious. Put fruits and veggies in a clear container and place them at the eye level in the fridge. When the food is easy to see, you're more likely to eat it. Tip number 2, make unhealthy food inconvenient. You don't have to ban them. Just make them harder to grab. Put snacks on the top shelf or in a closed box. I usually don't buy any kind of snacks or junk food, so I physically have to go out of my house to buy, or I have to make some at home. Creating some sort of friction, which most likely I'm like, oh, okay, I can't be bothered, I'm not gonna do that. And if I do make something, I put in the fridge somewhere at the back or in my pantry where I can't reach so easily, and I usually don't leave on the top counter. Tip number 3, prep small things ahead of time. I love this tip because I have been practicing this for many years now, and it just saves so much time as well, and you are more likely to stick to healthy food. So I'm talking about like tiny things. You don't have to go out, and buy lots of food and spend hours and hours preparing. You could, which would make easier, but even just cutting up some vegetables, some fruits, and putting in the container and putting in the fridge, maybe cooking one protein for the week. Usually I do more than just one protein meal, but you could just do one to start off and just leave it in the fridge and it's there available for you. If it takes less effort, you choose it more often. So for you go out of your house, go to a shop and get a ready meal or ring up for takeaway, that's more effort. You're creating more friction. Whereas if you already have a meal prepared in the fridge, you're more likely to warm the food up and eat it. Tip number 4, remove friction. If you hate cooking because your kitchen is cluttered, unclean counter, then make sure you clean the counter. If your tools are hard to reach, keep your cutting board and your pans out so it's easy to reach. You don't want to create friction hiding everything in the cupboard, and try to make as easy as you can. Tip number 5, create healthy cues. So let's say a water bottle on your desk or in your kitchen, so it's ready there, available. You can grab and drink instead of drinking anything else, and plus it kind of prompts you to hydrate yourself and drink more because you will see. You want to see your habits. If you're creating any habit, you want it to be as easy and visual, and you don't want to create any friction. And same with fruit. If you want to choose to eat fruit instead of a chocolate, then hide the chocolate, put the fruit which is more available and is easy to reach. And also grocery list, creating the same list every week, it just makes it so much easier, and then you're not avoiding to buy healthy foods, and also it kind of restricts you from buying junk food because you have a list and you have a purpose, so then you want to follow that list. I usually feel bad if I don't follow the list because financially, but also I end up buying unnecessary stuff and I don't want to, throw that stuff away. So that really helps me with my healthy habits, I guess. So these aren't life-changing hacks. They are small changes that works because your brain follows the easiest path, and that's just the way brain works, it always wants to choose the easiest path. How to set up your space to move more. Make movement visible. Put your workout mat somewhere you see it every day. Or perhaps just lay it a night before. That's what I do. So then in the morning you will see your mat, and that will be your prompt to actually get onto the mat and start moving your body. Put your shoes by the door if you're going to the gym or you're going for a walk. So it's ready there for you. You don't need to look for your shoes, and you're saving time and reducing that friction. Tip number 2, make workouts tiny. You don't need the gym. You need 5 minutes. A few squats, a stretch, a quick walk, a quick movement, a quick jump. When the habit is small, you don't need motivation to start. You just start because it's easy. You want it to make very easy. It's better 5 minutes every day than no movement at all. Tip number 3, attach movement to something you already do. So let's say if you are getting your kids ready for school or yourself, maybe start jumping on the spot, start moving your arms. Or maybe if you're speaking on the phone, and I highly recommend to put on a loudspeaker, not next to your ear, but anyway, that's just personal preference, but apparently it's much healthier. So let's say you're speaking on the phone, maybe go for a walk. Whilst you're walking, you can speak on the phone, whether it's with your friend or your family member. And if you're watching TV, do your stretch. This is the time where you can stretch. You can watch and do 5-minute stretch. Tip number 4, prepare the night before. So lay out your clothes, fill your water bottle, choose the workout you will do so you don't overthink it. So because in the morning you reduce that friction and you already have that plan. So let's say whatever your workout is for that morning, you can write it down on a piece of paper, make a plan. It depends how you are as an individual, but at least you're reducing that friction of thinking and overthinking whether you should, where you shouldn't, and it only takes 5 minutes. And tip number 5, make it attractive. Only allow yourself to listen to certain podcasts when you walk. So when you're walking, and if you are one of those people who like to listen to something, only listen to certain ones that are motivational, that is good for you, or something that excites you. So then it kind of, you're making your habit very attractive and you're looking forward to going for that long walk because you're going to listen to your favorite podcast or listen to your favorite music. Having simple systems that works even if you are busy makes your life much easier. So let's keep this super easy. Here's a few points for you to consider. Number 1, have a go-to grocery list. Number 2, meal prep one thing, not everything. Number 3, keep your kitchen clean so cooking feels easier. Number 4, have a default meal for busy days. Number 5, keep workout clothes in a specific spot. And number 6, make a 5-minute movement routine in your backup plan. These systems don't make your life harder. They remove decisions. And when you remove decisions, your healthy habits stick automatically. Here's an important thing that I would like to put across, and the thing that I struggle to understand about, and maybe you are struggling too. You are not lazy. You are not unmotivated. Your environment has just been pushing you in the wrong direction. But once you set the things up even slightly better, healthy habits stops being a battle. And that's what we want. They start becoming automatic.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give me thumbs up so then I know you have enjoyed, or leave a comment. Either or I would really appreciate. And if you would like to hang out here and see more videos like this one, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe so you can be notified each time my new video gets posted. I hope you have a great day, great week. Look after yourself, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.